especially we at the office, we strongly believe that if we can make the disaster risk reduction policy inclusive, and if we can protect the most vulnerable people, if we can change the most vulnerable people into agents themselves of making disaster risk reduction happen, then we are totally successful. So inclusivity is extremely important. The most important thing is to track whether the Sendai framework implementation is on track. And in that vein, the target E, which is the target that a substantial number of countries have both national and local disaster risk reduction strategies by 2020. We have only less than 2 years until that deadline comes. And this is the last global platform before that, so we really want to use this opportunity to push for that strategy to be achieved. Importantly, it's not only about numbers, it's also about the strategy being aligned to the Sendai framework, and that means that all the principles of all of society, inclusivity, that those things are all in there. And for that, it's important that all the stakeholders are coming at the global platform. We really want to work towards the Climate Action Summit in September. So one important issue is how to achieve coherence amongst the different agenda to really extend our condolences and sympathies and our solidarity with Mozambique, because Mozambique and also Malawi, Zimbabwe, but Mozambique really it has just happened, your struggle. And now you have to look into the reconstruction, but it's not the reconstruction only of houses, it's reconstruction of the whole of the society, because people have lost everything, and children have lost the opportunity from education, healthcare. So the challenge that we face is enormous. We will work with you in again building back better as much as you can, as much as we can together. But I do feel that probably there are also lessons learned from there, lessons that even nobody could have foreseen, because from what I understand, the communication methods were cut off very quickly in Mozambique, and it was very difficult to reach people. And then it wasn't only the cyclone, but the floods that came after that cut off communities physically. Rescuers cannot reach there. The early warning system worked better in the urban area, but in the rural area,